I'm going to put these videos together, I think. I'm going to try to at least. Because there's a green at Elm signal just up ahead, which means there is another train coming, and probably pretty soon on Main 2. This is Main 1 right here, the middle track. Molten Sulphur going by. Switch over to wide angle here just for technical reasons, because another train comes on that track, which hopefully it will while this one's going. I'm gonna need wide angle. Staying at Elm Crossing here in Greensboro on a, well, it was a cold night, but here comes the other train, I think. I don't know. Sorry if I'm giving you false hope here. But I thought I heard a locomotive and saw some light. So this one's on Main 1 and is going to go into the lead probably at Pomona, or in on Main 1, like broken down off the lead into the lead. On Main 2, which is the side I'm on, that track right there. On Main 2, that pretty much you can bypass all the Pomona yard and the intermodal yard, and then keep on going to Charlotte, Atlanta, and onwards. And some interesting news today. It looks like we're gonna get some higher speed commuter service to Richmond, Virginia. That's some great news. Tom Tillis shared that, and apparently was working with Pete Buttigieg. So I gotta say, Tom, you do take a lot of criticism, so rightly deserved. But one thing I do know is that you have always worked for Greensboro when you had the opportunity, and worked for the state of North Carolina. That is not an endorsement, just my personal interactions with Senator Tillis. Very loud DPU set here, and or is it on the end? Well, it doesn't really matter, but oh, it's just one. Probably an ace, I'm guessing. I don't know. Could be it. It's here. Let's see. Yep, ES44 AC. Yeah, it's a long one. already 5 minutes on this film, and I think there was like 3 on the other. What I am wondering is if they're going to make it all the way through Elm Crossing here based on their speed profile right now. It'll be the first time they've closed Elm. Yeah, it's coming to a crawl. I'm wondering. Like the end is coming. Unless there's a flat car there. It looks like a flashing rear end device, an old Fred, and a train. At the end of the gondola, it looks like someone may have swiped a little lumber there. Maybe, maybe not. Or fallen off for all we know, but that don't look right. Never know though. That could be for strapping purposes. Who knows? Now, normally I might venture near the track, not on the track, to capture that, but being that there's a green here at Elm, I am not going to risk it. Even behind the crossing gate, I don't want to risk it. Well, I could risk it.